So guess where we are? We're in Home Depot doing a pickup for a customer. Many of you guys know that we do pickup within a 20-mile radius. Any store, and within a 20-mile radius, we'll run about half dozen Home Depot. We're here in Home Depot. We're doing a last minute pickup. It's Tuesday evening. We're shipping on Wednesday afternoon. Customer already completed our shipping alert, so it's just a matter of picking it up, processing it, and it will be on its merry way to Jamaica tomorrow, Wednesday afternoon. So this one is it's a puller. So I'm going. I just got word that it's a toilet. Now after I ship this one, I can see I've shipped everything down to the toilet. Alright, this one is some serious stuff. So I guess this is the area that they have the big stuff in. They call them pullers. And that looks American standard like a toilet, but it's not a toilet, but she's gonna pull it for me. So turns out not to be one toilet, it turns out to be 3 toilets. So you guys always ask me if I ship big stuff. It's kind of funny because 3 toilets is not the biggest thing I'm shipping this week. I'm actually shipping 2 4-wheelers, you know, the dirt bikes. So I'll make a video of those and show you guys. But yeah, we're actually shipping 2 4-wheelers. You know, the truth is I should be over there giving a hand. But it's a restricted area. I don't think I'm allowed to go back there. Yeah, there's like a whole gate set up right here, and I don't think I'm allowed to go back there. So we finally shipped everything under the sun. When you ship toilets, you basically shipped everything. So we have 3 toilets. You know what? These 3 toilets is as big, well, almost as big as one of the dirt bike. The dirt bike hang out the back of my truck when I transport it. So, but here we go. One brand new 4-wheeler right here. You guys asking if I ship big stuff. Oh yeah, I do ship big stuff. A lot of big stuff. Small stuff and big stuff. But I'm gonna go find the next 4-wheeler. It's somewhere in the warehouse here. Let me go find it. Alright, so here's your other 4-wheeler. And as you can see, this one is in pristine shape. There's no damage to it. And this pallet look like it's better suited to fit the 4-wheeler.